Hello guys. I'm very glad that you are subscribing and sharing my tips with your friends so that he can come here also to watch the tutorials to improve his influence. So guys, today I do have another tutorial because I'm always working with energy because you are giving me enough force to work with you. So today I'm going to show you the tips and ideas which I used in this simplest tutorial. As you can see, it is not a complex one. I used the few plugins, as you can see here. So let us start with the reed drums. After the reed drums, we will end in the melody sections. After the melody sections, we will play again the entire tutorial, not the entire, a little bit, to hear how the melodies which we have been hearing sound. Okay, here we do have the reed drum. The reed drums are very simple to play. Very simple. Here we do have a kick. Here we have a hi-hat, clap, and also here we have a shaker. After I drew the reed drums, I had to choose NNCCT. All of the plugins that I will be using here, they are free plugins. As you see here, we have NNCCT, and their names will be written here. So after that, I drew the melody, this melody. I chose one of the presets which is called the Jazzy Soft. After that, I played another guitar here to answer the first melody which I drew. Here I use the Jazzy G mats. Let us play both of them to hear how they sound. As you see, they seem that like they are the same while they are not, because of the coordination. So if you want for me to start from the beginning, from zero, to explain you how to choose the plugins, how to use them, how to start the melodies, how to make your creativity improve. For example, this part is for you to draw your melodies, and this part is for you to select your plugins which you want to play here. So after I played the second melody answering the first one, I had to choose another plugin here. I used the Jazzy Holy for this melody here. After that, I had to play the another melody here. It's very simple. After that, I had to play another melody here. This was the bass. I used the subtractor. As you see, I copied this melody here, and I had to come down here and paste them in this plugin to sound a little bit different from the first melody which I drew here. But they're the same, but they differ in the preset. After that, I had to draw another melody here. This plugin is I think it's a combinator. I used one of the presets which is called the fretless bass, but let us hear how they sound this melody. As you see, these are the melodies which I showed you up there, but I had to copy them down here in the same plugin. I had to pass up here and the other down here. After that, everything is done. This was the tutorial for today's video. It was not the complex one as you can see here. And after that, I copied the read drums of all the project, and I pasted them in this project so that I cannot take so much time. I do this when I have a lot of singers in my studio. I want to satisfy all of them, so it is not easy for you to start a new project and new read drums. I only remove something else and I start a new project. I do not repeat the melodies. I only remove the melodies and I let the bass and start a new project from the old read drum. So let us play a little bit to see how the final result. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you want this instrumental, you want to sing where you want, I will give it for you for free, because I'm the owner of this instrumental. I made it, so you subscribe it, I will give you everything for free, and I will be here also with a lot of instrumentals to give you. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel and for watching. This is not an instrumental of any music or musician. All musicians that come here, they have the instrumental. So these are mine that are only they are special for tutorials to give anyone who want this instrumental, because he subscribed to my channel, he shared, he is with me, and I'm here to help him. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Thank you.